Hello, welcome back to our mathematics class. So today we can complete our 12th chapter, that is ratio and proportion. See, in the last exercise, it's quite different from the other exercises. It's a unitary method. Only some word problems are there. We have done these type of problems before, but we'll just revise it. Okay. So do you know unitary method? Suppose for 10 pen, 150 rupees, then what is the cost of 15 pence? Cost of 10 pen is 150 rupees, then what will be the cost of 15 pence? When these type of questions come, we use unitary methods. What is unitary method is, see, 10 pence, it is 15 rupees. So we can find the cost of 1 pen, isn't it? What is the cost of 1 pen? It is 150 divided by 10. That is 15 rupees for 1 pen. Then for 15 pence, it is 15 into 15, that is rupees 225. Okay. When for 10 pen it is 150 rupees, we find for 1 pen. Then from that cost we find for the 15 pen. This method is known as unitary method. We find the amount or whatever it is for one portion and then multiply that. If directly it is given for 1 pen 15 rupees, what is the cost of 10 pence? What will you do? You just multiply. Okay. Here the first portion you divide and find the cost of 1, and after that you are multiplying that. This is unitary method. Unitary method. You know this method, I think. But we will do the exercises. See the first question, exercise 12.3, first question. If the cost of 7 meter of cloth is 294, for 7 meter of cloth, cost of 7 meter of cloth, it is rupees 294. You have to find the cost of 5 meter. So what we do? We first find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. So how will you find the cost of 1 meter? 294 divided by 7. That is 42. So for 1 meter it is 42 rupees. Then cost for 7 meter of cloth is 42 into 7. That is, sorry, we have to find the cost for 5 meter. 5 meter, so 42 into 5, 210 rupees. For 5 meter you have to pay 210 rupees. Second question, Ekta earns rupees 1,500 in 10 days, then how much will she earn in 30 days? That is, in 10 days, rupees 1,500. You have to find for 30 days. So first you find for 1 day. So here division come. For 1 day it's division. 0, 0 cut off, rupees 154 per day. Then for 30 days, it is 150 into 30. What is that? 4,500 rupees. For 30 days, she will be earning 4,500 rupees. Fourth question, cost of 5 kilogram of wheat is 30 rupees 50 paise. What will be the cost of 8 kilogram? For 5 kilogram, it is rupees 30 rupees 50 paise. Then for 8 kilogram means you have to find for 1 kilogram first. So 30.50 by 5, that is rupees 6.10. Then for 8 kilogram, 6.10 into 8, it will be 48.80 rupees, 48.80. This first part. Second part I am going to rub it. What quantity of wheat can you purchase in rupees 61? For rupees 30.50 you will get 5 kilogram. Then for rupees 61, how much kilogram will you get? See here, either you can find for 1 rupee. For 1 rupee how much? 5 by 30.50, that is. Then for 5 kilogram, sorry, how much you are finding? For rupees 61. For rupees 61, it is 5 by 30.5 into 61. See here 13.5 into 2 is 61. So 5 into 2 you will get 10 kilogram of wheat for rupees 61 rupees. Or either you can find like for 30 rupees 50 paise you will get 5 kilogram. Then for 61 rupees means 61 is double of this. That means double of this you should get there. So double of 5 is 10 kilograms. So for 61 you will get 10 kilogram. You can directly write that also. Sixth question. Shaina pays rupees 7,500 for 3 months. Then how much does she have to pay for a whole year? Whole year means how many months? 12 months in 1 year. So for 3 months, rupees 7,500. Then for 1 month, what is the amount? 7,500 by 3. That is rupees 2,500. Then for 12 months. 12 months it is 12 into 2,500. So its answer will be 2,000. It's 30,000. 30,000 rupees for 1 year. For 1 month 2,500. Then for 12 months it is rupees 30,000. Seventh one, cost of 4 dozens of banana is rupees 60. 4 dozen means 1 dozen how many money? It's 12. Then for 4 dozen, 42. Isn't it 12 into 4? Sorry, 4 not 42, 48. Then for how many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50? That is for 60 rupees you will get 48 bananas. 60 rupees you will get 48 banana. Then for 1 rupee 48 by 60. Then for 12 rupee 50 paise how many bananas will you get? 48 by 60 into 12.50. 3 rupees 48 banana. Then for 1 rupee 48 by 60. So you can make the simplest one, divide by 12. It will be 4 by 5. Then for rupees 12.50 how many bananas will you get? So 4 by 5 into 12.50. See 12.50 into 4. What is it? 50. 50 by 5, 10 bananas. So you'll get 10 bananas for rupees 12 rupee 50 paise. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. Then how much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers? So for kilometer you have to find. So for 594 kilometer, it requires a diesel of 108 liters. Then for 1 kilometer, 108 by 594. Start with 2. 54 by 297. 54 by 297. And for 1650 kilometers, 54 by 294 into 1650 into 1650. See here you can again simplify it by 3. So this will be 118 by 99. Again you can divide with 9. So this will be 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 into 1650. So 16, this they can divide 1650 by 11, it is 150. So 150 into 2, 300 liters. For this much kilometer you need 300 liters of petrol. 11th question. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? So Anish and Anup. Anish made 42 runs. So you have 1 per over. So take the reverse form. 6 overs he got 42 runs. 42 runs. Then for 1 over what much? 42 by 6, that is 8 runs. Not 8, 7 runs. 7 runs per hour. Then here Anup got in 7 hours, he got 63 runs. Then in 1 hour, 63 by 7, that is 9 runs. So who made more runs per hour? Anup made more runs. Anup made more. He got 9 runs. He got only 7 runs per hour. So Anup made more runs. So that exercise is over and also that chapter is over. Now here are the homeworks. Exercise 12.3, question 3, 5, 8 and 10. 4 questions are there for homework. Okay. So do all the problems which I have done here. Then do the homework and send it to me on time. And see, next chapter is geometry. So all of you need geometry box for that. So those who do not have geometry box, buy it for next week. Okay. You won't be able to do the draw without the geometry box. You need compass, protractor, ruler, pencil, eraser, everything. Okay. And also set square also. So that the whole geometry box you will need for this chapter. So buy a geometry box if you do not have. So that's enough for today. Thank you.